Everything was loud. I was the loudest. Then something underneath moved, not toward me, through me. I had been waiting for something outside to arrive. It was already sending from somewhere I forgot. I had came from deep, came from real, came from somewhere I couldn't feel until I stopped. Came through clean, came through clear. The truest thing I've ever heard was silence that meant something. I used to feel every second with something. Now I leave room for it to come through, and it does every time. Came from deep, came from real, came from somewhere I couldn't feel until I stopped. Came through clean, came through clear. The truest thing I've ever heard was silence that meant something. You can't search for it. It finds the quiet you make. So I made quiet, and it came, still coming, still clear, still deep. I just listen now.